Morning, everybody. This is Mike Niemiec with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Thursday, April 11th. Well, we're past the USDA report, and we're going to go and see what type of fumes the trade wants to talk about going forward. The report yesterday pretty much was in line with the wheat stocks for the U.S., but the corn and the beans came in a little bit smaller. That gave us a little bit of a bounce. But the world stocks for corn, wheat, and beans all came out a lot stronger than what the trade was looking for, and that kind of limited the type of gains that the initial U.S. stocks gave us. Going forward, we're going to look at three things that the market's going to be looking at. First off is going to be the cash markets, which have been quite strong for the corn and beans, affecting the spreads in a bullish way, regardless of what has been going on with our Goldman roll. The second thing we're going to be looking at is to see if we're going to get any U.S. business coming to our shores, given the fact that the USDA did raise world supplies and we got South America coming on stream. And the third thing will be the U.S. weather as we work our way towards crop progress condition numbers in the weeks ahead. The corn registrations were canceled last night, 22 of them. There's only 44 registered right now. Once again, that gets into the cash market strength and the spreads as we work our way towards May deliveries. We'll get export sales out later this morning. They're looking for the neighborhood of around 300,000 to 500,000 tons of wheat and corn, a little bit over 500,000 tons of beans, that being new crop and old crop combined. There was nothing much in the overnight tender activity, although we did see Japan, Bangladesh, and Tunisia all in for wheat, buying U.S. and or other origins. And then finally, our weather. We're going to be continuing to watch our weather here in the U.S. for our wheat crops. There was some notes on the overnight wires that the cold weather has been affecting, and we look for damage perhaps on Monday for the hard red winter wheat. And then we'll be working our way towards corn and bean plantings. The immediate forecast for the 10 days is what we've been seeing is what we're going to get, this cool and wet pattern continuing. The 11 to 15 day in the beginning of the period looks like it's going to stay that way, but as we work our way towards the end of it, there is a little bit of a pattern change, at least in the models right now, suggesting a little bit drier weather and a little bit more of normal to above normal temperatures. And that's what's really going to kick in for the new crop months if we're going to go and see that type of weather pattern to get us kick-started with our planting. So once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.
See you later.